Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Moto Buds 270 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, you need to press this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, we have a button Add Device. You need to click at this button. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. And in this window, select Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case, and if your earbuds do not connect it with another device, they will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see them at the device list. If you want to enter pairing mode manually, you need to remove your earbuds. Right here we have a Motorola logo. This one is touch area, so you need to press and hold both of these touch areas until the LED light start flashing blue and red. And you will also see them at the device list. Did we in the pairing mode? Yeah. So we need to wait just a bit. Here it is. Now click at your headphones and click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!